Welcome back to my short series where I'm testing cheap and affordable makeup to see if it's any good. This is from the brand CYO, Create Your Own Chubby Lips. Unfortunately, this is the only information on this packaging. There's no ingredients, no company information whatsoever, so it is what it is, but it's a super nice maroon type of color. I would classify it as magenta, but it is leaning more towards maroon. I don't know, but it's quite pretty. The pigmentation is there. I must say that there are a few chunks of glitter within the product, but it is super pigmented and really creamy. This retails for R24.95 and I purchased this from Dischem. So for the price, I'd say it's really good. I mean, what more do you expect? It does the job, the pigmentation is there. It is a little bit chunky, but it does the job if you're looking for makeup on a budget. I'd give this a yes for sure.